Oh, we're riding trends now. We are riding trends. I've seen this at least 17 times today on Facebook and Instagram and everywhere else. White Claw slushie. Super simple, I think. I've never made one. Let's go through the ingredients. We're gonna need a cup of ice. This is literally a cup of ice. Frozen, today we're doing peaches, obviously. Frozen fruit of some sort. Of course you're gonna need a White Claw. We're using raspberry White Claw. I'm putting my own twist on it. I'm gonna put a floater of Jim Beam peach in there. Get it? Peaches, 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 peaches. See what I'm doing there? And of course I'm gonna use a strawberry as a garnish. You don't need that many strawberries. Do whatever you want for a garnish. And a blender. So, we're making raspberry peach White Claw slushie. That's gonna be the title of this video. Let's get this started. Ice. It's going in there. I'm thinking I'm gonna use about a cup of peaches. I don't know, because that was a cup of ice. We're just playing this by sight. That looks good enough. And nothing I saw on the internet told me anything about the amount of White Claw you're supposed to use, so we're just gonna guesstimate. I'll let you know at the end of this. Get a better blender. Oh-ho! Christ. All right. Turns out you got to use the entire White Claw. Okay, I think she's done. All right, let's get this. Yeah, that looks like something. Okay. Oh, it looks pretty good. All right, boom, let's get our strawberry ready. I'm gonna pick the best one. Which one do you think is the best one? Right here, that's the one I was thinking. You can use anything as a garnish. It's just to make things look better. There's no strawberries in this. It's just, this is red and it looks sick. All right, we're not done. Time for the Jim Beam peach. The thing about whiskey is it works in whatever this is. Watch this overflow. Ready? Overflowing. It doesn't matter. It looks sick though. Let's go. And that's it. There is your White Claw slushie with Jim Beam peach. You can use Crown Royal peach. You can use literally any flavored liquor you want. It doesn't even have to be flavored liquor. Whatever. That's what I got. This is the, what was it called? Peach raspberry White Claw slushie with whiskey in it. Surprisingly light. I assume that's because of the White Claw. You can taste everything in it. I feel like TikTok's onto something. I don't know. I don't know who came up with this, but kudos to you. But there you have it. Trendy things. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, do all that stuff. I'll see you guys in the next video in a few days.